Hello everyone. Today we'll start an exciting journey to learn a powerful front-end JavaScript framework for building user interfaces, Vue.js. In this tutorial, you will systematically learn to write Vue 3 applications using the composition API and the script setup syntax. If you have a basic familiarity with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, follow along with me. Here is the outline of my tutorial. After a quick introduction of Vue.js, we will dive right into the Vue essentials. Those are the key concepts and the foundation of Vue.js. There will be code demos and hands-on projects to help you learn, so it won't be boring. You're welcome to code alongside me. Remember, learning by doing is the best way to understand and retain knowledge. In the Vue essentials, you will gain expertise in binding data using the Mustache syntax and the v-bind directive, leveraging Vue's reactivity system for dynamic DOM updates, handling events with the v-on directive, binding form inputs with the v-model directive, implementing conditional rendering with the v-if directive, rendering lists with the v-for directive, utilizing computed properties and watchers, understanding Vue's lifecycle hooks, creating and managing Vue components, and more. Once you have a solid understanding of the Vue essentials, we will move on to the second part of the tutorial, Vue advanced topics. You will gain expertise in navigating pages with Vue Router, managing application state with Pinia, developing reusable Vue composables, implementing transition effects, using advanced reactivity APIs, testing Vue applications using Vitest and Cypress, implementing a CI/CD or continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline for a Vue application, and more. As mentioned earlier, our learning journey will be facilitated by hands-on projects. The first project is a shopping cart application, and it covers the Vue essentials. This is how I would like to teach these topics. For each topic listed here, besides the basic Hello World style examples for initial introductions, we will immediately put theory into practice by weaving this topic into our shopping cart project. In other words, as we go through this topic list, we will simultaneously apply what we just learned, building up the shopping cart project piece by piece. For the Vue advanced topics, we will shift our focus to a more complex project, developing the user interface for a project called Hogwarts Artifacts Online, a web application with its backend powered by Spring Boot. You'll find a link to the backend tutorial in the description of this video. I will periodically add more topics to this series of Vue.js tutorials. Please take a look at the description of this video below to see what new content is added. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So we have an exciting lineup of content, and I'm happy to embark on this learning adventure with you. Get your keyboard ready. Let's get started.